Hello everyone, welcome to NetSet OS. Today in this video we'll be discussing about linked list. A question on linked list where we need to add 1 to numbers in the linked list. Let's say if I take the example 782 which is in linked list form. I have also mentioned the address here. So when I add 1 over here as like this, I should be getting 2 plus 1, 3, 8 as it is and 7 thereafter. So adding 782 to 1 will get 387, 783. This is what we needed after adding 1. This number will be represented in the form of linked list as we have list of elements. No problem till here. But what if when I have 1999 and I need to add 1 to this number. So when I add 1 to this number, I'll be getting 9 plus 1 will be 10. So out of this 10, 0 will be coming here and 1 will be going to carry. 9 plus 1 again, 10. Again 1 will be in carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 will be fitting here and 1 will be in carry. At last 1 plus 1 will be 2. This is what we needed in our output. So if I need to write a program for this, how can I write? First of all, I'll reverse the linked list as I need to perform first operation on this number. So I'll reverse the number so that I'll get 9991. Now I'll be performing the operation on this. So here when I add 1 as this form is in linked list, 9 plus 1 will be 10. Right? When sum is 10, if we have sum is equal to 10, then we'll be getting carry, which is equal to 1, because here the right part will be using here and 1 will be in carry. So 9 plus 1, 0 will replace 9 and 1 will be in carry. Here we have C is equal to 1 as carry. Now again add this carry with number 9 plus 1, 10. So here we will get 0. 0 will replace this 9 and this 1 will be in carry. Now again I'll add this carry to this number so that I'll get 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 will replace 9 and carry will be passed on to the next number. Now this carry number will be added to this number in the linked list. So 1 plus 1 will be replacing here 2. So here we'll get 0, 0, 0, 2. Now at last we will be reversing the linked list. At last we'll be getting 2000 in the form of linked list. So first 2, 0, 0, 0. So in this way we can add one number to any number. So here we have algorithm. Let's take the number, the different number 999. This is in the form of linked list. So the first step is to reverse the linked list. So when I reverse this form of linked list, we'll get 999 only. Now second step will be adding 1 here. So when I add 9 plus 1, if sum is 10, carry will be generated. So here we will get C is equal to 1 and 0 will be replacing here. Same when I add 9 plus 1, 0. Carry will be generated again. Then 1 plus 9, 0. And carry will be generated again. And at last we need to create a new node with 1 over here as carry will be forwarded here, and at last we need to reverse the linked list. It will be in the form of linked list. So let's write the program for this. Here we'll be writing the program in Python. First we'll define the function for new node. As for the last example, when we have 999, so when carry will be generated on this number, 1 will be forwarded to the rightmost so as to create a new node. So here I'll be defining the function with new node, which will return with new node over here. Then we need to write the function for reverse linked list. This part we have already made the video in detail. I'll give its video link in the description below. And then for the function add 1. Let's see how it runs step by step. So for this I'll take the same example, 999 in the form of linked list. Now the first thing, we need to reverse the linked list. So when I reverse 999, it will be in the same form and we'll be pointing a pointer with the name head. Then we'll be having k, which will also be pointing on the head, as this k will be helping us in reversing the linked list. So leave it behind. Now going further, we'll be taking the help of carry is equal to 0, as well as I'll take one more pointer previous with the name prev, as it will be helping us to create new node. This you'll know as we go step by step. Now it says head.data equal to head.data plus 1. So whatever data we have in head, we need to add 1 to it. Here we will get 10, right? Now there is a while loop over here where we'll be checking head not equal to none. No, it is pointing to 10 over here. Head.data should be greater than 9. Yes, in head we have 10. Also we need to look for carry, but it is an OR condition. Carry is equal to 0. Now going inside while loop, we need to check previous is pointing to the same head. Earlier it was in none. So here we'll be pointing this previous to the head. Now we need to see head.data should be added to carry, as our carry part is 0. So 10 plus 0 will be as it is 10. Now we need to check for carry, which will be quotient part when we are dividing with 10. So when I divide 10 with 10, we'll be getting 1 only. So carry will be replaced with 1, whereas head.data will be getting only the remainder part, which is 0. And then after operating first node of the linked list, head will be pushed to the next by head.next. Now again it will go and will check in while loop. Head is not equal to none. Clear. Head.data should be greater than 9, but here we have 9, so it is not applicable. But here we have OR part. Carry should be greater than 0, so it will go inside the while loop. Now previous will be following head. Then again we need to check for head.data. Head.data 9, as we got carry from this part equal to 1. Now it will be adding to the head.data. So 9 plus 1 will be 10 this time. And again carry will be 1. And head.data will be the remainder part. So here we will get 0. Now carry is 1 after this operation. And then it says head should be shifted to its next. So head is on 9 now. Now it will be going to while loop and will check head is not equal to none. Yes. Head.data should be greater than 9. No. But here we have carry is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. So it will proceed in while loop where it will be following previous. So previous will be shifted to its next. Then this 9 will be plus carry. 9 plus 1 will be 10. And carry will be head.data divided by 10. So carry will be again 1 over here. and head.data will be left with its remainder. So here also we will get just 0 and head will be shifted to its next, as like this. Now again it will go to while loop. Head is not equal to none, but head is equal to none. So it will be not going inside while loop and will come out of this while loop. Now it will check whether carry is greater than 0. Yes, here we have carry is equal to 1. So it says to go to previous, and on previous next where we had none over here, to replace with new node. So here we'll be getting new node which will be connected to this 0. In carry we have 1. That's why we are using here previous, so that if we are left with carry in the last part, we can simply be going with previous dot next. It can just connect it and will be filling this carry by creating a new node. Now at last we need to reverse the linked list. When I reverse the linked list, we'll get 1 0 0 0. As simple as that. So this is all about when we are adding 1 to our number in the linked list. So hopefully you understood this concept. If you're liking my video, please give a like and do share with your friends. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.